Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to do single crochets. To begin, we're going to make our slip stitch. If you don't know how to do a slip stitch, check out my video on slip stitches. Once you have your slip stitch, we're going to do some chains. If you don't know how to do chain stitches, check out my video on chain stitches. I think I did 12 chain stitches here. I just picked a random number to do, so you don't have to do the same number as me if you don't want to, but I did 12 here. And now we have our 12 chain stitches. Now what we're going to do here is, instead of inserting your hook into that first stitch, we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to go into that second stitch and we're just going to go through one loop. We're not going through any more than just one. You can if you would like to, but for now I'm just going to show you we're just going through one. You go through one, pull up a loop. So now you have two on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. Let's do it again. So we're going to go through one loop, yarn over, pull it through, and now we're going to yarn over and pull through both loops again. Insert hook, yarn over and pull through one loop, yarn over, pull through two loops. Pretty simple. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through two loops. And I will see you at the end of this row so I can show you how to turn. Okay, now we're at our last stitch of the row. We're still going to do a normal single crochet. I'm just going to stretch this out a little bit so it lays flat. So that is what you should have now. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to chain one. And then we're going to turn our work. And from here, instead of going through one loop like we were with the chain, although we're skipping that first chain stitch again like we did the first time, going into that second stitch and you're going through two loops. It's that V that you see on the very top of your work, and then you pull through a loop and pull through two loops. Let's do it again. We're going to go through both loops and pull through one, pull through two. If I'm going too fast for you, you're welcome to pause the video anytime. Yarn over and pull through two loops. Okay, now we are at the end of our row. We're going to do that last stitch. So you should have 11 stitches going across the top, because when we skipped that first stitch going back, we lost that 12th stitch, so you should have 11. And then you're going to chain 1 and turn your work and do it again. But I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching.